Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download WhatsApp on your computer, guys. So this is the WhatsApp which I have in my computer, guys. So I'll be giving the links in the description, guys, below, so please do check it out. This is the link to the WhatsApp download. If you have your Windows, so download here, and if you don't have Windows, if you're a Mac user, so click on here and your file will download. After you download the file, just install it and the app will be on your desktop. So after you click on your WhatsApp, after it is installed, it will be something like this. So how to get started with this? So I've taken some of the screenshots of the WhatsApp page where I'll show you how can you do it. So when you start your WhatsApp, you can check your WhatsApp in your mobile. It will be something like this in the beginning. So make sure, guys, that you click on this three dot icon over here on the top right side of the phone. So after you click on that, guys, the next part is this thing will open. So make sure you click on the third option, WhatsApp web. So after you click on that, your back camera will automatically start. Make sure you give your camera permissions in your mobile. So afterwards your camera will come out, so make sure that you scan this thing which is on your PC over here, this. So after you scan it, automatically you will just log in your computer. So this is how you can use your WhatsApp in your PC, guys. If in case, guys, if you want to log in into your computer but you do not have WhatsApp in your phone, in case it might be not supported in your mobile might be very old, but it might be your personal opinion that you do not want WhatsApp on your mobile. If that is the case, then you cannot scan the QR code, but I have still a method in which you can still log in your computer without the QR code. Yes, guys, I've made a different video. I'll be giving the links in the description below, so please do check it out. I'll be showing in that video on how you can log in your PC without the QR code or without an emulator. So that is a very interesting video, so please do check that out. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, everybody.